Welcome everyone. Good morning. Okay. So now let us do the next sum, which is third sum. Again non-listed company which is not trading its shares in the stock exchange, are not their shares are not displayed in the stock exchange, buys buybacks 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each at rupees 25 per share. So this company buybacks 50,000 shares. How many shares? 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each. 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each. 1 minute. 50,000 shares at rupees 10 each at rupees 25 per share. Now tell me, 10 rupees share is bought back at rupees 25. 10 rupees share is brought back at rupees 25. How much rupees extra are we going to pay at buyback? 10 rupees का share है, but buyback is happening at rupees 25. So how much extra are we going to pay? Yes, 15 rupees extra. So what is this 15 rupees? This 15 rupees is what? ये जो extra दे रहे हैं, more than the face value. 15 rupees which is additional, which is given additional to the face value. What is that 15 rupees called? Exactly, Zainab, you're correct. It is called premium. So ये जो 15 rupees extra we are giving is premium. Extra 15 rupees what we are giving is premium. The reserves of the company are as follows. The reserves of the company are as follows. Securities premium में we have 15 lakhs. General reserve we have 23 lakhs. Past journal entries in the books of a company without narration for buyback of shares. So here they have told no need of narration, just give the journal entry. But it's when they have not asked narration in the question while solving in the exam, no need to give narration. When they say that past journal entries without narration, then no need to write narration, because they have told in the question. Instruction is given for not writing the narration. Now let us go to this question. We have read the question. See, in this question what they say, in this question they say how much share has to be bought back. Tell me how much share has to be bought back. 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each at rupees 25. Means we have to cancel 50,000 equity shares. When we are buying back equity shares, we cancel those shares. तो जब हम शेयर्स को कैंसिल करते हैं, बिकॉज इक्विटी शेयर इज अ लाइबिलिटी क्रेडिट बैलेंस, जब हम इसको कैंसिल करेंगे तो क्रेडिट का ऑपोजिट, this will be debit. Understood? When we are cancelling the equity shares will become debit. Credit लाइबिलिटी कैंसल होने में डेबिट होता है और असेट डेबिट बैलेंस कैंसल होने में क्रेडिट होता है. रिमेंबर दिस, because in our accounts everything revolves around debit credit, and you should understand that debit is का opposite is credit, credit का opposite is debit. We assume liability as credit, so when we cancel the liability, credit का opposite debit. When asset is debit, when we cancel the asset, debit का opposite credit. इतना ध्यान में रखो. You are commerce students, you are account students. Till the time you are doing this accounts, you have to remember this basic. So equity share capital account debit. How many share has to be bought back? 50,000. और इक्विटी शेयर का फेस वैल्यू कितना है? Equity shares face value is 10 rupees. So how much will this come to? 5 lakhs. Am I correct? 50,000 into 10 is 5 lakhs. Now, sorry, one more thing will come. हम जैसे तुम में से कुछ लोगों ने आंसर दिया. What are we giving? We are giving premium on buyback. Premium on buyback account debit. प्रीमियम कितना अमाउंट है? यू ऑल टोल्ड हाउ मच वी आर बाइंग बैक द शेयर एट 25. तो 10 रुपीज में हम कितना एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम वी आर गिविंग? वी आर गिविंग 15 रुपीज प्रीमियम. सो हाउ मच दिस अमाउंट विल कम टू? It will come to 7,50,000. Correct? So whom will we pay this amount? ये पूरा अमाउंट हम किसको पे करेंगे? Who will be paid this amount? Equity share holders account. Equity shareholders account. So equity shareholders account, how much? दोनों को ऐड करो, it will be 12,50,000. इसको नरेशन तो नहीं पूछा है, they have told without narration, but we will write narration. But in exam you can avoid being amount due on buyback. Being amount due on buyback. Now second entry, what we have to do? Nothing is given about the fresh issue. So हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो भी पैसा we want for the buyback, we have to collect it through CRR. We have to collect that amount through CRR, correct? हमें CRR से वो अमाउंट कलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो CRR से कितना अमाउंट कलेक्ट करना है, उसके लिए we will just go to the working note. We will go to the working note, and first one, nominal amount of equity shares to be bought back. To be bought back, how much is the nominal value? 50,000 into 10, correct? Nominal value is 10. Offer price, at what price? Issue value is 25. Buyback is done at 25. But what is the face value or nominal value? Nominal amount, yeah, I will write it nominal value. I will like to have it similar, सब में same रखना है. Nominal value. Nominal value कितना होता है? What is the nominal value? Nominal value is 5 lakh. So इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? We less this from the nominal value of fresh issue. Fresh issue. But fresh issue के बारे में तो कुछ भी information नहीं है, because it is nil. तो balance amount we create from CRR. So अगर fresh issue नहीं है, तो all the amount has to come from CRR. All the amount has to come from CRR. So what is the sources for CRR? Let us go about to the question and see CRR के क्या sources है हमारे पास. We have two sources for CRR. या तो हम पूरा security premium use कर सकते हैं, because in security premium we have 15 lakhs. We have 15 lakhs in securities premium. So we can use full 15 lakhs. Or what we can do, we can also use general reserve, because general reserve is also having 23 lakhs. So क्या करें? What I am, आप कोई भी use कर सकते हो. Then don't ask me why did you use security premium, why did you use I will use security premium. You can use general reserve also. Now don't ask me security premium क्यों लिया. You can use any reserve, any free reserve, and you can use security premium also. if you ask me this question, security premium क्यों लिया, then I can also ask you, तुमने क्यों computer लिया, तुमने क्यों export लिया. It is your choice. You can use security premium also and you can use general reserve also. So what I will use security premium. मैं यहाँ पे क्या use कर रही हूँ, I am going to use securities premium. Security premium, how much amount I want for CRR? I want 5 lakhs and security premium में 15 lakhs है. सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम में देयर इज 15 lakhs, तो 15 lakh में से मैं 5 lakh यूज कर सकती हूँ. तो सोर्सेस फॉर सीआरआर, मैंने सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम लिया तो मुझे पूरा 5 lakhs मिल गया फ्रॉम सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम. अगर मैंने जनरल रिजर्व भी यूज किया होता तो भी मुझे पूरा 5 lakh वहां से भी ले सकती थी, बिकॉज जनरल रिजर्व ऑल्सो इज हैविंग मोर देन 5 lakhs. So any reserve can be used because both the reserve can be used for creating CRR. So अब मैं क्या करूंगी, because मैंने securities premium यूज किया, securities premium is a liability. Liability means credit balance, but when we are using the liability, credit का opposite liability becomes debit, cancel होने पे. Now which new reserve is getting created? CRR account, capital redemption reserve. Capital redemption reserve is getting created. So इसका narration क्या लिखेंगे? Being CRR created. Being CRR created. Now one more thing I can see here. What I can see here is, यहाँ पे premium also is there. So this premium has to be written off. ये premium जो है, this premium, this has to be cancelled. ये प्रीमियम को हमें कैंसिल करना है. तो दिस प्रीमियम ऑन बाईबैक इज इन द डेबिट. इसको कैंसिल करेंगे, व्हेन वी विल कैंसिल दिस विल कम इन द क्रेडिट. डेबिट में है ना, व्हेन वी विल कैंसिल इट दिस विल कम इन द क्रेडिट. टेल मी वन थिंग, प्रीमियम राइट ऑफ करने के लिए ऑल्सो आई विल रिक्वायर सम रिजर्व. So I can use security premium also or I can use general reserve also. Premium write off करने के लिए I should always give preference to securities premium. ध्यान में रखना, for writing of the premium you should always give preference to securities premium. So securities premium में 7,50,000 है क्या? 15 lakh था, we used 5 lakh, so still 10 lakh is there. From 10 lakh, can we use 7,50,000? From 10 lakh, can we use 7,50,000? Yes, we can use. So, security premium liability है, use करेंगे. Security premium, if we use, it will be in the debit. It will be in the debit. How much amount we are using for? 7,50,000. So 2, ये देखो premium on buyback which was in the debit. Now we will cancel it. So premium on buyback will come in the credit. Premium on buyback account. So this is getting cancelled. 7,50,000. इसको नरेशन क्या देंगे? Being premium on buyback, premium on buyback, written off. Being premium on buyback, written off. Last one, last entry. See, 12,50,000 ये ड्यू का एंट्री था. 5 lakh वी गॉट फ्रॉम सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम. 7 lakh हमने प्रीमियम भी राइट ऑफ कर लिया, 7,50,000. नाउ लास्ट एंट्री, पेमेंट ऑन बाईबैक. हु विल बी पेड ऑन बाईबैक? Who will be paid on buyback? Give me the answer. Who will be paid on buyback? बाईबैक में किसको पे करना है? बाईबैक में इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स हैज टू बी पेड, करेक्ट? इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स, so equity shareholders is in the credit. Now when we will pay them, तो इनको कैंसल करना पड़ेगा, तो क्रेडिट का ऑपोजिट, व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ क्रेडिट? इट इज डेबिट. So equity shareholders account debit. How much amount we have to give on buyback? 12,50,000, correct? Equity shareholders credit में था, but when we will pay them, what will go out? To cash bank account, to cash bank account, 12,50,000. What will be the narration? Being amount paid on buyback, being amount paid on buyback, being amount paid on buyback. So this sum also is done. This sum is also done. Now what we will, if you have any doubts, any questions in this particular sum, put it in the chat box, and we will now move to the next sum. We will now move to our next sum. So for the next sum, let us come to the next sum now. Following information is available. Following information is available from the books of a company. Following information is available from the books of a company. Again, this company is a non-listed company, which is whose shares are not traded in the stock exchange. So what information is available in the books of the company? In the books of the company, it is available that there is 1,20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. There are 1,20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, which is coming to 12 lakhs, correct? 1,20,000 into 10, it is coming to 12 lakhs. Then what information is there? We have securities premium for 70,000. We have securities premium for 70,000, and we have general reserve for 3,50,000. We have general reserve for 3,50,000. The company decided to buy back 25%. The company decided to buy back 25% of the equity share capital at rupees 12 per share. They have told कि one share will be bought back for 12 rupees. One share will be bought back for 12 rupees. So face value of the share is 10 rupees. 2 rupees extra what we will be paying is what? 2 rupees extra what we will be paying is what? जो हम एक्स्ट्रा पे करने वाले हैं, they say कि yes exactly that is the premium, correct? 2 rupees is premium. But ये सब में question है, they have not given the number of shares, they have given the percentage. 25% of the equity share capital, तो number of shares नहीं दिया. So how you will find out? Yes, Poonam, correct? Poonam is correct, very good. But उसने privately answer दिया. Yes, correct. Alshifa is also correct. It is 30,000. How did you get 30,000? आप लोगों को 30,000 कैसे मिला? 1,20,000 number of shares है. Number of shares is 1,20,000. उसका 25% when we take, we get 30,000, because only 2 of you have got this answer. So how did you get this answer? When total number of shares को we multiplied by the percentage of share, because they have given कितना share buyback करना है, उसका percentage is given. So 1,20,000 into 25% when we do, we get the number of shares to be bought back. So let me go to the working capital, because only 2 of you have got the answer. So let me go to the working note. वर्किंग नोट में जाके, वर्किंग नोट में number of shares to be bought back. How did you got this number of share? Total share जितना भी है उसका how much percent they have told? Sorry, 25%, and we get how much is it coming to? 30,000 equity shares. I hope all of you have now got this answer. All of you have got ये 30,000 कैसे आया? Now let us go to our solution. First entry. What will be the first entry? What will be the first entry? First entry is to क्या करेंगे? Due का entry. Now when shares will be bought back, equity share capital will get reduced. Equity share capital will get reduced. Yes, due entry. Equity share capital account debit. Equity share capital debit. I will keep it here. Equity share capital account debit. How much number of share? 30,000 into 10. Face value is 10 rupees. Nominal value is 10. So this will come to 3 lakhs. This will come to 3 lakhs. Now one more thing. हम 2 rupees extra दे रहे. What is that 2 rupees? Premium on buyback. Premium on buyback account debit 30,000 into 2. So this is how much? 60,000. Am I correct? So who will be paid this amount? To equity shareholders account. Equity shareholders account 3,60,000. इसका narration रहेगा. They have told no narration, but we are writing it because first day है ना, being amount due on buyback. Being amount due on buyback. Now let us go to the second entry. Second entry में nothing is told about fresh issue. Means पूरा का पूरा CRR है. Full amount has to come from CRR because nothing given about fresh issue. So now how many free reserves we have? Only one free reserve, general reserve, and security premium also is there. For the purpose of buyback, even securities premium can be used. Even securities premium can be used. So क्या करते हैं? अभी हमें कितना चाहिए? CRR के लिए कितना चाहिए? How much do we want for CRR? फटाफट वो कर लेते हैं. CRR के लिए nominal value of equity shares to be brought back. Nominal value of equity share to be bought back. How much is it? It is 30,000 into 10. 30,000 into 10 means how much we want? 3 lakh. इसमें से less करते हैं nominal value of fresh issue. Nothing is told about fresh issue. So fresh issue is nil. So ये पूरा amount will come from CRR. Full 3 lakhs we have to bring from CRR. So what is the sources for CRR? Sources for CRR we can use both. हम सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम भी यूज कर सकते हैं, हम जनरल रिजर्व भी यूज कर सकते हैं, पर जनरल रिजर्व इज हैविंग मोर अमाउंट देन 3 lakhs. तो दो यूज करने से अच्छा लेट अस यूज ओनली वन. करेक्ट? सिर्फ जनरल रिजर्व यूज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि सिर्फ जनरल रिजर्व यूज करेंगे तो 3,50,000 इज देयर इन जनरल रिजर्व. सो हम पूरा 3 लाख एक ही बार में यूज कर सकते हैं. इज देयर एनी डाउट? टेल मी. हम दोनों यूज कर सकते थे. करेक्ट? हाँ, वी हैव टू रिजर्व्स. वी हैव security premium and general reserve. General reserve is having 3,50,000 and CRR ke liye we want only 3 lakhs. So what I am doing, I am using general reserve. You can use general reserve and security premium both also. But वो time पे what happens, it will be आपको दो रिजर्व यूज करना पड़ेगा. तो मैं शॉर्टकट एक रिजर्व में जब बात बन रहा है तो वाई टू यूज बोथ, इसलिए मैं नहीं दोनों यूज कर रही हूँ. एंड आई एम क्रिएटिंग व्हाट, आई एम क्रिएटिंग CRR अकाउंट. So this is coming to 3 lakhs. Now what will I give the entry? Being narration, being CRR created. CRR create हो गया. Now our third entry, हमें premium write off करना है. Premium is how much? 60,000. Can I use security premium full? पूरा security premium use कर सकती हूँ मैं यहाँ पे बराबर. एंड प्रीमियम ऑन बायबैक इज ऑन द डेबिट. इसको कैंसल करना है तो ये डेबिट का ऑपोजिट, दिस विल गो इन द क्रेडिट. एंड विच रिजर्व वी कैन यूज, we can use security premium, correct? We can use securities premium. So I am using securities premium account, securities premium account debit. How much do I want? I want how much? See, securities premium के लिए कितना चाहिए? Securities premium के लिए मुझे सिर्फ 60,000 चाहिए. So what I will do, to जो डेबिट में था, when I will cancel it, it will come in the premium on buyback, premium on buyback account. So this will be 60,000. इसको नरेशन क्या देंगे? Being premium on buyback written off, written off. Now last entry. What is the last entry? Equity shareholders were in the credit. अभी तक इनका अमाउंट ड्यू है. अब लास्ट में what we can do, we can pay the equity shareholders. So equity shareholders account debit. How much amount? equity shareholders को कितना टोटल पैसा देना है? 3,60,000 to, what do we write? To cash bank account. Money will go out when we are making them the payment. Equity share capital account, sorry, equity shareholders account to cash bank. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? इसको बोलेंगे being amount paid on buyback. Done. Being amount paid on buyback.